There's one there. Oh boy. Uh-oh, we got a good one now. This is a good one. This is a puller. Yeah. This one here really wants it. We've got something that definitely is going to need to be netted, and probably bigger than that. This is a nice fish. I'm not really gaining on him too much because he's out there in that current. I'm trying to get myself back out of it. Come on, buddy. I want to see you in this kayak. Like my bait is 10 feet out. Oh boy, we got a good one. I'm not broken in yet. Oh yeah, that's a big fish. Come on, kayak, please. Where the hell is my net? Gotta get a little more on him. He's got too much energy. This is not a little fish. I gotta get his head up. I can't. There's his head. Whoa. Holy moly. Wow. Well, the big fish are back again this year. And this is one of them. Ugh. That is one big fish. Oh, there's a fish. There's another one. All right. Doesn't feel nearly as big as the last one. Yeah. Still a good fish though. Oh, look at that. Look at that. They're busting right out there. Still a fish I have to net. Things are picking up. All right. This fish got kind of a something wrong with him. He freaking hoovered that. Got him off. I don't know what he's got going on here. So I think somebody hooked him pretty bad or something. All right, bud. I wish you luck. Well, we'll call that a wrap for today. I gotta go do a couple of errands and out to dinner. So 2 fish. Had 2 others on. Lost one because I don't know what the heck I did. But one of the fish we caught was a 30-inch fat boy. So we've caught 4 fish. 2 out of the 4 were over 28 inches. So looks like we might have another good year with big fish. I'm going to try to get out early tomorrow. That's my plan. Hopefully I can get up early. I got to get back into that mode. I've been lazy all winter, so we'll do it again tomorrow, hopefully. For now, that's all I got. Good morning. It is May 12th. I'm back down at the dam. I'm noticing something I've never seen before. Cormorants actually up in a tree. Probably can't see it from there, but he's sitting up in a tree. There were 2 of them there, so that they can see it, get a better view down into the water. Never seen a cormorant do that. But anyways, there's not a whole lot going on here. There's a few cormorants around. I'm sure there's plenty of herring in here, but I'm going to put in anyway. It's the outgoing tide. It's not a great tide. I think I'm going to try and concentrate later on in the day. A dead low tide back north a few miles in the marsh, and then maybe later on today, early evening. I think high tide's around 5 o'clock, and come back and check down here at the incoming towards high tide. There should be more fish coming in every single day. So yesterday we only got 2. One of them was 30 inches. If I catch a 30-inch today, I'm going to keep it. It's Friday. So we got Mother's Day Sunday. It'd be great to have some striper nuggets for Mother's Day. So I'm going to unload the kayak and we'll get in the water and see what we can do. We're off, and we still have a cormorant up in the tree. Ha! Never seen that. Well, I will say that I'm not seeing the kind of activity that I would like to see. We get cormorants up in the tree trying to see down in here. This tells me that there's probably not as much herring around today as there was yesterday, and they probably have flushed out down around the corner. Because the tide is going out. There's Mr. Cormorant right up there. That is a riot. But we're gonna try anyway. I've got all kinds of rigs set up. I even got the big Z-Man, big 9-inch Z-Man, which is pretty darn close to the same size as these, a lot of these herring. So I fished a similar time yesterday morning here, and I had no luck whatsoever. I came back later during the incoming and you know, caught a couple of fish, but I also had another 2 or 3 on. So the incoming so far seems like the right tide. Got a little rain going here too. Got cloud cover today. That's something that we didn't have the last 2 days. What I think I'm gonna try, I might ride this tide out around the corner, see if I can't find the herring. Just to try to do something a little different. We don't have any luck here. Fucking bags. All right, let's try. Ooh. Oh no, I got a fish. I thought I got hooked a buoy, but I got a fish, and he's on that buoy. You son of a gun. I gotta get around that buoy now. You bastard. I thought for sure I got into that buoy. Holy cow. He's not a tiny one either. He's a decent fish. I don't know. Boy, I'm out here in this current. I can't. Oh boy, he is not. Jeez, crow, this might be. I don't know how big he is, but he is not wanting to come in. Oh, oh. Come on there, buddy. Gotta get around here. Another nice fish. All right, let's get out of this. He is 20 on the bump. He is 28 inches exactly. 28 inches exactly. So there is another keeper. I'm not going to keep him. He must have stuck me right in the vein. All right, we're on the board for today. So they're in here. Well, I actually hooked up on the troll. Huh. Oh, he came off. I think he broke my line. Nope. Just came off. Huh. Oh, right there, right there, right there. Came right out of the water for it. Right in that spot I was looking for. All right. Get backed up here, get him out of the current. He's not a small fish. I don't think he's going to be a keeper by any means, but I'm on you. Get out of that current. God, I gotta get some clothes off. I am so overheated here. It's not a bad fish at all. Where is he? God almighty, these fish are so freaking... Healthy. Wow, we may have a keeper here. Pretty sure he's going to be just under. Yep, 27 and a half. 27 and a half. All right, buddy, you made it. Okay. So we fished this morning, we got 2 fish. Not real productive, but it's just getting going. So I went and got some things done, and now I'm back here at, oh, it's probably 5:15 or so in the evening. We're gonna fish out towards the beach and the mouth of the river. We've been down at the dam, and there are fish down in there, but I've got, you know, my good buddy Mike has said he caught a few here the other day at this side. So yeah, we'll go out and give it a few casts and see what happens. See if we can add to the total. So we've caught 3 days in a row, we've caught 2 fish. Let's see if we can beat that. All right, on the troll, we have hooked up. Certainly not a big fish, but we found one. We can get him in, can make it a 3-fish day. The smallest one of the year. Come here, you. What are you going back there for? Yep, first schoolie of the year. First schoolie. Probably about a 14-inch. Oh, there's a fish. Oh boy. That shocked me. Out of nowhere. This one's a little better. I don't think he's a big one, but he's a little better. Yeah. Where are you, buddy? Yep. Probably 20. Yeah, I'll give him 18. All right, bud. Totally messed up this bait. Well, maybe he didn't. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, another one. Little hesitation and boom. Feels like the same kind of fish. Oh, shoot. Another netter. He's not a tiny fish. What? What's going on today? I can't get the darn thing. I let in too much line. Shoot. Come here, you. Alright. Alright. What's going on? It's May 15th, so I haven't been able to fish for a couple of days. Couldn't fish over Mother's Day's weekend. So we're back in the dam today, coming into high tide. A lot of seagulls. Oh look, we got a blitz over there. I can see splashing way on the other side of the dam. So it looks like we've got some fish around. So let's not waste any time and get back in the water. We're on 10 fish for the year, so let's see if we can add to it. All right, I've been hit twice on 2 casts. They haven't got me yet. Oh, there he is. There he is, right there. Yeah. Oh yeah, you got a drag taker on the first cast. First catch, I mean. That means we don't have tiny fish. All right. Jeez. current to work with too here. Oh, what a fish. Wow. Wow. I can't budge him. He's not happy. Come on, you. Wow. Where are you? Oh yeah, look at that slob. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Come here, you. Get over here. Holy. Wow. These things are... No. The big fish have returned. Look at the size of these things. He's not even hooked. He's not even hooked. Wow. Look at that fish. Just give it a quick measure. Right there. He's 30 inches. He's perfect. We're gonna keep one fish today. Jesus Christ. Oh, right there, right there. Come on. I gave it a little hesitation and it's on. Ah, boy. Another decent fish. I don't think he's gonna beat the last one, but he's giving me a fight. A little drag there. Oh, you son of a... Okay. Not like the last one, but he's a fish. Okay, thank you, bud. Okay, what are we doing here? We're already out on the water. I haven't got a whole lot of time, maybe an hour. It's only like 5:30 in the morning, but I better go golfing later. So we're down at the dam. I've missed some really good blitzes here in the last few days. I'm only up to 12 fish for the year. People have caught a lot more so far, but they've all been pretty good sized fish. So we're gonna give it like a 1 hour challenge, see what we can do in that time. We've got some seagulls just starting to kind of scout around, so hopefully we can at least get into a blitz or two here. So let's get over to where we want to fish and see what happens. Oh, there he is right there. Oh. Oh, right here. Right here. Right in front of me. Right in front of me. There's not much I can do with him. We do have a little bigger rod. The big bait makes the difference. Check that out, Billy. Look at that. Another big fat fish. Alright. Another big fish. Look at these things. Look at how fat this thing is. This one probably might not even be big enough to keep. Not that I'm going to keep them, but that one fat fish. Look at that. Thank you much, buddy. Is it gonna keep? Ah.
Over here crushing it.
Oh, gee. What do I have here?
That was big.
He's certainly taking line. This is my bigger rig here. Oh, come on, you. Where you going? I went to the bigger Z-Man. Made all the difference. What the heck have I got here? You know, one thing, I gotta tighten up my reel. It's loose. Oh yeah. Come here, buddy. Come on. Wow, we are really struggling with this one. That's a big fish. Holy moly. We've got the biggest fish of the year by far. Holy cow, I don't know how big he is, but it is one fat fish. All right, we're gonna get a measure on this guy. This thing is a fat. You gotta be kidding me, Billy. Fat fish. I can't even pick him up. Look at that fish. I'll get an idea on him. He's a 33. There's a 33 for you people. All right, that's a nice fish. Oh, what the? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Buddy, you. All right. Phew. Well, that's not the first time I've caught a bird. At least he flew away. No harm done. Okay, that's it for the morning. I don't know if I'll get back this afternoon. I think I only caught 3 fish. It doesn't matter. I had so much trouble getting my baits rigged and everything, and then I caught a seagull. So we'll call it a good day. That was the biggest one was at 33, but a lot of fun. Big fish back this year. Can't wait to get back out. Right now I got to get home, get ready to go golfing. I think I'd rather be fishing, but we'll go golf anyway. Till next time, that's all I got. What is going on, everyone? So I thought, it's been a while, it's been a week since we caught the first fish and we put that one video up. So I thought I'd kind of give an update. It is the 17th, so tomorrow will be a week since we caught the first fish. I've been out a few times, not as much as I normally would like to, but that's the way it goes sometimes. We're up to, I think, around 15 fish. I'm pretty sure it's 15. Not a whole lot of fish. People have caught a lot more than that. But once again, it's about the size. There's just big fish around again. We've been fishing down by the dam. Did a little bit up at the mouth of the river and caught a few there. That was where I caught them the most. I think I caught 5 that day, but there was nothing over 22 inches. Those were the only schoolie type fish that I've caught. Everything else has been, I would say, at a minimum of maybe 26, but I think most of them have been 28 to all the way up to 33. So far, like I said, it's been about size and not necessarily about the numbers. I'm hoping that's going to change. We'll try to get back out, I think tomorrow late, because it's supposed to be like 35 degrees in the morning and breezy. So I'm not going out in that, no way. And then after that, I'll try to get, more trips out. We'll see how soon my editor-in-chief can get this video out. Hopefully within, hopefully maybe tonight. We'll see. So until then,